So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and pair and set up your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Now, doing this is actually very basic. You will have to have an Android phone. So keep in mind that you have to have some sort of Samsung, Galaxy phone or a Google Pixel or a device that can basically download and install the Galaxy Watch application. Now, with the Galaxy Watch 8, once you go ahead and power it on, you want to go ahead and bring your Samsung Galaxy phone kind of close to your Galaxy Watch. When you do that, you should be able to see a little pop-up come up. If the pop-up doesn't come up automatically, then you'll have to go inside of the Galaxy Watch application. So what you can do here is you can go through and download the Galaxy Watch app. So click on search and download and install Galaxy Wearable. It should already come pre-installed inside of your Samsung phone. So go ahead and find it. Like I said, you just have to go inside of the Samsung folder, find the Wearable app, and then you can go and open it up. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and make sure, I guess we need to update the app, so go and update it, and then we can go ahead and update it. So once it's updated, we can now go ahead and bring in our watch. So go ahead and click on Start to go and start bringing in our watch. Click on Don't Allow if you want to. I guess you need to allow it to give nearby devices. And you want to go ahead and start making sure that the numbers on your watch match up with what is inside the Wearable app. If it looks good, click on Confirm. And then you want to keep following the on-screen instructions. There's a lot of different instructions that are basically going to come up. So it may take a few moments for it to kind of go through and kind of parse through, so keep that in mind. The process in which it kind of sets up your device, it takes a while. So just kind of keep that in mind. You will have to save maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, lots of downloading and lots of updating, but over time it will eventually install. So now it's installed. So now we can set up our watch. So you can set it for yourself or for a child. We'll just go and set it up for myself. And you want to click on Agree. You just want to give it access to everything. You can sign into a Samsung account. In this case, I will go ahead and skip it. And then here's another one of these things. It's going to go and get ready to connect. So it's going to take a few minutes. And now it's connected. So now it's going to tell us things for our review. We can click on I agree and click on Continue. And it's going to get some account for your Google info. Now, a lot of this stuff you can kind of continue on, or you can just click on skip. So in this case, we'll just go and continue, and we'll sign in with our email account inside of our Galaxy Watch 8. You will also see that we've done basically everything from our Galaxy Watch or from our phone rather than our Galaxy Watch, which is kind of funny. So it's just a lot of stuff that you want to read and that you want to go and kind of connect to. In this case, I'm just not going to go ahead and allow it. You can also allow it for Smart Switch if you want. You can allow it to give it to these permissions. I would recommend allowing to give these permissions. And then it's going to go and start, I guess, doing our smart switch on our watch. So give it just a few more moments. And then it says our smart switch stuff. Again, you can allow or deny it. We'll just go and click on allow. Now you can see whether you want your watch on your left side or your right side. So you can specify which side you want it on. In this case, I'll just keep it on my left and the button position on that side as well. Click on next. You can take the stress on your vascular system, so you can test it if you want to. Understand this. So it's just a bunch of stuff that's just telling you what to basically do. It takes so long. Now it's going to start finishing up. This is the last step. So this is going to take kind of the longest. It can take a while for it to get to like 20 or 30% or 50%. Then it'll just go fast after usually. So we'll just give it another little bit of time. And now I think we're basically good to go. So it says you're all set. And when you get into this spot, the Galaxy Watch app you're basically done. So you can even hop out of the Galaxy Watch app, and now you can make your way over to your actual Galaxy Watch. And your Galaxy Watch will start starting up, and after going through the initial process, you will see that your Galaxy Watch 8 should come into its home screen, and you'll basically be good to go, and you can use your Galaxy Watch 8. So we'll just wait till it comes into its main display. And we are now on our main display, and now it's going to show us exactly how to use our particular watch. So that's basically how to set up your Galaxy Watch 8. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.